Bird's Nest girls, we're back again today with another live, and today we are going to bring you how to introduce print to your wardrobe. We'd firstly like to send a little shout out to everybody that is affected by the floods out there. All the Bird's Nest girls here are sending lots of love your way and thinking of you. So here's some print to brighten your day today. So firstly I'll start with my dress. I'm actually wearing the Scandi Bird dress in, it's called the romantic dress. So I think it is a really romantic dress. It's beautiful, it feels really super comfy. It's got a great little 3/4 sleeve with elastic around, a nice little sweetheart neckline, little tie, it's a fake tie at the side but it looks like a fake wrap, and a really nice soft fabric. It's got a little bit of stretch but not too much. So I've got the girls with me today. Here comes our Sarah. So Sarah is wearing a beautiful printed top.
Hi.
Now girls, we're going to show you a few different ways to even camouflage the print if you want to. So this is a boho bird top. It's the paisley top, I think, or it might be in paisley.
No, the slimline tunic top.
Okay. The print is paisley. Looks great on you, Sarah. Nice and comfy.
Yeah,
stretchy.
really lovely this one. Lots of stretch. Nice neckline as well.
Girls, always remembering with your styling, you've got your structure and flow. So this is a nice floaty, flowy top, and Sarah has got structure in her skinny jeans, which I think she wants to tell you about.
I do. So this is our new brand into the nest. It is called Indigo Tonic. So we've got the denim coming through. So this one has great stretch. So they're just a pull-ons and nice and comfy as well. Lots of stretch even in the legs, ladies. So these are comfortable. It gives you that nice smooth line as well. It's got a nice waistband. So the girls are telling me to come forward.
I'm just going to pop the denim jacket on. This is a Keepers denim jacket. So ladies, if you're feeling a little bit shy to have lots of print, you can always have it underneath your items. So we're going to show you a few different ways to wear print today, and this is just one of them.
Yeah.
Sarah? Looks great.
I do love a double denim, so.
Yes. That's not denim, that's black.
Stop denim.
Oh.
But the jacket's really great too, girls. So this one has lots of stretch in it as well, so it's a really nice, comfy denim jacket to wear.
Are you wearing that with anything else today, Sarah? I don't think you are.
No, this is only outfit today, so.
You can take that.
Alright, no worries.
Okay, now here comes Lorraine. She is in another one of our Scandi Bird tops. And this little top, we were just saying how perfect it is for the petite girl. It's got a little fake tie and it's a little bit shorter.
A little bit short,
Yeah.
quite high in the neck.
Yeah, looks beautiful on you though, Rainey. We're also, this is quite a bold print, so if you're feeling a bit shy or feel like it's too much, we'll just do another little double denim look. You can see that we've really favoured our denim jackets in this.
It's a great look.
And this is the Keepers, the new Keepers one in a washed out denim. Looks great, looks good with white
Colour,
jeans.
girls. New to the nest.
And you've only just got a little pop of colour then, so you don't feel too shy with that. Now, are you wearing this denim jacket again? No, I don't think you
No,
are.
I don't think I am.
No. Thanks, Rainey. Here comes Shirt. Now, this is a really smart outfit. I love
Hi,
this
everyone.
outfit. And the best part about this skirt is it is a pattern skirt, but we've toned it down with a long line cardi and a little runaway singlet from boho. This is a Sass cardi boho skirt, and we're going to show you, because it is actually matching, but we're going to show you another way to wear the top after. Cher's going to come out in something else. So she's got a belted there, Cher. It looks fantastic. What size are you wearing, Cher?
A size 14 today.
Okay, so it's got an elastic waist, girls, the skirt.
Yeah.
So it's quite comfy, and you can wear a belt over it, or you can leave it without as well.
And it's a tiered skirt, so it's really, really pretty.
Yeah, looks
Yeah.
great.
I
You
love the
could
print.
also do a denim jacket with that as well.
Yeah.
You know, nice look with
Nice
that
and easy.
skirt. That'll really tone that down as well.
Yeah.
So don't be scared of print, girls. There's always ways to introduce it into your wardrobe. It doesn't have to be the centre of attention. It can just be one of your pieces that you put together.
Good.
Thanks, Cher. Okay, here comes Sarah. She's now wearing a bellbird top.
I I am, and I just looked at the name and I have forgotten. It is an animal print top. I know it's by Bell.
I'm going to have a look. I haven't got my glasses on, but I'll attempt it.
We'll try this one again.
The Bell Animal Print Warm Knit Tunic. Oh,
See?
there you
I
go.
was close.
That's a few words there. You were never going to remember
I
that.
was never. Really nice animal print right through this one. Nice full sleeve, round neck again, and you've got a little slit up the side here, which is a nice little feature.
We're going to show you another way of layering this. If again you're feeling a bit scared of pattern, don't be too scared. You can always layer it up with a vest, a long line vest. So this is a really good layered piece, creates length through the middle here, makes you look 6 feet tall.
Oh, speaking of tall, I'm 170 centimetres tall, and I am wearing a size 20 across everything today. Apart from the jeggings, ladies, I have gone down to an 18 in these ones because they do have the give in them.
That's great. And I'm wearing a size 10 and I'm 167 centimetres tall. So while we're on that one,
Yeah, anyway, have a look at this little number as well.
that's a boho vest as well.
Yeah,
So
really beautiful.
the
for layering
bell
these ones.
top. Don't be afraid to mix and match and put things together.
Yeah.
Again, you know, you can just have that pattern underneath your items.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I'm taking my 6 foot tall.
There you go, you tall girl. And here comes Rainey again now. She's got a beautiful TBL. That label.
Cute.
Yeah, very cute top. And the keeper's
Little sleeve.
skirt, is it? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Quite a
very
high
nice.
waist skirt, but really super comfy.
And button through. Has it got
Real
stretch,
pockets?
Lorraine?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. A little bit of stretch.
Really cute little top.
And that's a really, really sweet little top. And we thought you could actually do a bit of tone on tone. So we thought we'd try this with the Falling For You cardigan, which all of you love. And again, you're hiding the pattern, girls, and not making it centre of attention, but it's still there and it's a bit of an introduction into the wardrobe. It's beautiful. I love the length of that skirt.
Yeah, it's
Amy.
really good for my height. And
Yeah.
speaking of height, 156, and I'm wearing size 8s in everything except for the jackets today, which
Yeah,
is size
the
6.
blazers are a 10. Yeah, beautiful. All right, here comes our gorgeous Shur again. Now this is our jumpsuit from By Design, from Bird by Design, and it is sort of a workwear jumpsuit that you could do. Now what we've done is we're going to show it a few different ways.
Here we are.
Shur's got lots of different looks today. So to hide the pattern here, you could actually put one of our everyday blazers on, which you can see ties in a little bit, pick up a little bit of the colour from the print, which it's a diamond print, and it's just a really soft pink.
I'll just go a bit closer that girls can see.
Yeah. So again, you can see how that knits down the print and creates a whole outfit with that. Love
And
that
it's a
stuff.
navy
Navy base.
background, yeah.
Yeah. The other thing we thought we'd try it with was
The
the
denim
denim
blazer.
denim jacket. So if you want to actually make this jumpsuit a little bit more casual, easily you can do that with a pair of white trainers, pop the denim jacket on, and it'll just make it look a lot more casual for you.
Yeah, a very different look.
That's
Do you
beautiful.
have another one? No, that's it.
No, that's it for that,
Okay.
for that one. You've got a few coming up,
Yep.
but okay, here comes our Sarah again in a beautiful boho dress. Did you have a look at the name of this one?
Clear Skies Flow Dress. I've got this one.
Beautiful. So again, girls, you could pop a little denim blazer on with this if you're a little denim jacket on with this one, but make sure you keep it quite short. So the denim jacket needs to be a little bit cropped and stopping a bit higher. You could do a long line vest again with that.
You could definitely a long line. You could do higher boots. It's a really great piece going into winter
Great.
as well. You can
It's
layer it
a
up.
really good trans-seasonal piece,
Yeah.
great for this time of year.
It's got beautiful little sleeves. There's nice elastic on the sleeves, girls, so they're nice and roomy as well.
And it's
Nice-
really soft, isn't it, Sarah?
It is.
It's a really
It's got a
soft,
really nice hand feel.
yeah, fabric. Beautiful
So-
and light.
And it has, when I find the other one, it has got 2 pockets.
Pockets.
There's one. Here's the other one.
Everyone loves a dress with pockets.
But it's just so roomy, such a good, flowy dress to put on. So
Yeah, tights and long boots even.
yeah, absolutely. You can definitely warm it up. All right, bye guys.
Thanks, Sarah. And here comes Rainey now. She's got a little hand-picked dress on, which was one of your favourites, girls, and it's coming again. beautiful, beautiful geometrical pattern on that, and really pretty on-trend colours with that soft pink.
Pink's gorgeous, absolutely beautiful.
So don't be afraid to wear a jacket or a blazer with this. You could do it, like you can actually scrunch that up, but we actually have found a little tip that you can actually fold those over like that, and then pop a little blazer on. So this dress then can turn from something a bit more casual, can turn quite corporate as well. Really pretty.
And the pink jacket's just
Isn't it
so
gorgeous?
soft. It's
Matches
gorgeous, really
perfectly.
complements the dress.
And that dress without the blazer you could do with a white trainer. Yeah.
Easy. Very
Denim
nice.
jacket again, girls. Denim jacket's your favourite item in your wardrobe. You can wear it with so many things. Lorraine, that outfit is you. I think you need
Right,
to buy
in
that.
that case, I'm
Okay, here comes Sher. So now what we're doing is we're going to show you how to introduce some colour to your wardrobe with something quite plain. So Sher has the By Design jumpsuit on.
It's one of my
Do
favourites.
you know what it's called?
crossover.
Crossover jumpsuit.
Yeah, it's one of my
It is
favourites.
The cross waist jumpsuit, and it comes in navy and in a grey as well. So the beauty of this is you can make it look so different. So we're now going to pop this blazer, which is from Boho. Don't be scared to pop different brands on. This blazer now has created a whole different look with that jumpsuit. And if you button that up, again, creates a lovely silhouette here on Sher. She's coming in at the waist, stopping at the right spot. Beautiful floaty pants. So again, with the structure and flow, ladies, you've got your structure with your blazer and your flow in here with your pants. So that's a great one, Sher.
Yep.
Another one coming up.
Yep.
We haven't got your denim jacket out here. Has someone got the denim jacket? So again, you can see the pink denim jacket. You see we're sort of running out of sizes because these denim jackets are walking out the door as soon as they come in. But this creates again another different look for this jumpsuit.
And I'm just a reminder, I'm 172 centimetres tall, just for those girls who are wondering.
So again, to introduce a bit of print, here we go. So there is another look that you can add. Always have some printed scarves in your wardrobe, and that can create that whole look again, different look again. I like that on your shirt.
Yeah, I love that.
That matches that blazer really well.
Yeah.
Lucky, like someone knows what they're doing, really. Okay, what about this one? So here's another Falling For You cardigan, which is in a print, and you can do this look as well with the blazer. I mean with the jumpsuit, sorry. Got my blazers and cardigans going everywhere. So again, introducing print, keeping something really plain underneath. A great way to style that.
Comfy.
I like that.
I love this. Very comfy.
And now we'll do last but not
Lucky
least, denim jacket. You can see how easy they are to wear with everything, these denim jackets. You probably go down a size in that shirt.
Yeah, I would.
And again, pop a little bit of colour on with your scarf. Great
Love it.
little look there, Shirley.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Good. See you
Thanks,
later.
Shirley.
Bye.
Thank you, Business Girls. I hope you've enjoyed the live today, and I hope you've learned something about how to get colour and print into your wardrobe and style a few different outfits with some accessories. Again, thinking of you all out there, and hope you're all enjoying some sunshine now. Lots of love